0, 1, 2. 0 starts us off, a chance to explore. 1 is the first step, opening the door. 2 is the connection, ideas combined. Together we learn and our paths intertwine. Count it up, 0, 1, 2. Count it up, 3, 4, 5. Count it up, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's celebrate. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 3 is the effort, the work that we share. 4 is the foundation, built with care. 5 is the challenge, pushing us to grow. With each new lesson, there's more to know. Count it up, 0, 1, 2. Count it up, 3, 4, 5. Count it up, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's celebrate. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. 6 is the progress, tracking what we gain. 7 brings insight, knowledge we obtain. 8 is the wisdom earned through our quest. With every lesson learned, we aim for the best. Count it up, 0, 1, 2. Count it up, 3, 4, 5. Count it up, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's celebrate. 9 is reflection, where we stand today. 10 is achievement, guiding our way. Together we count through trials we face. In this journey of learning, we find our place.